What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone mirroring drag and drop not working. I have a different video for iPhone mirroring not working given on the above video card and description below. So one more thing is that sorry to say iPhone mirroring is disabled in EU as like Apple Intelligence, so don't dislike for this video if you are from EU. So friends, there are few criteria that you have to follow. So let's get started. First, make sure both iPhone and Mac are using the same Apple account and Apple ID as well. You can do it, hop into the settings app, scroll to general and click on the about tab. So over here you can get all about your iPhone or specific device running on which version. For this feature to work properly, the iPhone should be in close proximity to the Mac, ideally within 5 feet. Being further away than this may result in connection issue as it's closer than the typical Bluetooth range. To use iPhone mirroring on your Mac, your iPhone must be locked and not in the use. Force quit iPhone mirroring app on your Mac and reopen from the Mac dock is an ideal solution if drag and drop not working properly. Another thing is you have to check that both your iPhone and Mac device are running on the latest iOS 18.1 and macOS Sequoia 15.1. Major users having issue cause of they have iPhone running on the 18.1 but Mac has installed a macOS 15 only. So please update your Mac and iPhone 2.1 version. This new version arrive on the public users for the free of course. So guys, download and install it today and retry to drag and drop. If you are a user with latest software version, even though not working, then you have to reboot your both device one by one and retry again to drag and drop file from Mac to iPhone or vice versa. Alternatively, you can use AirDrop, which is Apple's official tool to transfer files from Mac to iPhone and iPhone to Mac. Please watch my tutorial given in this video description below. So friends, don't forget to share your any issue related to iPhone mirroring drag and drop or any error in comment section below. Thanks for watching.